Hey everybody, it's George. So it's a Sunday morning, and I'm doing a little bit of an early morning shout out to Lisa, my wife, my business partner. And before I can explain the shout out to her, and she is going to be so mad at me because I'm doing this in the office, and it's a train wreck down here right now. We're wrapping up things for Harding Street, for example, but at the same time, we're just wrapping up all of our taxes from last year, and this is just it's a paper bomb right now. So. Okay, before I get to the shout out, just a quick explanation. So, about a year and a half ago, as a lot of you know, we decided to go down this path and venture into building a real estate company. And at the time, we thought, okay, hey, the world is going to be filled with a lot of different things in terms of property types. But about 6 months in, we started to realize, no, there's a core business that we really want to be involved in. So our primary business has been focused all on the buying and selling of single family homes. And a lot of people look at that as the quote unquote flip business. We don't really look at it that way. And that's partly because we put more into projects than the average quote unquote flipper does. And that's not a negative. That's an industry, and it's a very successful industry. We just look at it and say there's a little bit more that needs to be done because of our key strategy, which is really focused on filling the inventory of quality homes for first-time home buyers, or potentially a last-time home buyer, somebody who's looking for that ranch-style house, for example, with bigger doorways. So we built this business with the concept of we're going to focus on that buying and selling, and we're going to focus on how to really fulfill a particular market niche that we see is depleted here in Connecticut. Well, as things evolve, you start to realize, there's some other things we could be doing. So I'll give you an example. We've been approached by others to be their general contractor, and that's a little bit to the left of where we want to be on things, or to the right, however you want to call it. Not sure that we want to be a general contractor, just a general management company of construction and remodeling projects, but we may consider. We're going to actually explore it a little bit later this year just to see if it makes sense. But along the way, again, you start to develop these other ideas, and you say, so we're buying and selling this real estate. What else can we do with it? Well, fundamentally, the product at the end of the day is a very visual discussion. When buyers walk in, there's all the underlying stuff, of course, but they don't see that. They actually don't even care about it. They just want to know it's done. They want to know it's taken care of. They want to know that it's been done well. So that's really where I get more focused. But Lisa is the visual storyteller. She's the one who kind of puts together what that whole picture is going to be. So as we've been going along here, we've been approached by others to take over their interior design, or at least to provide some consultation on it. And then we started talking more about how we stage our properties. And we've been getting approached about that as well. So now I'm getting to the shout out. Congratulations to Lisa. She has officially launched us into another aspect of this whole thing. We are now starting a full staging business along with the interior design consultation, and Lisa has her first client for that. So great job to my wife. Kudos to her. And here we go, continuing to build along the path of building this real estate company, providing a broad range of services that all come around how do we fulfill the buying and selling for particular markets. And in our case, we're starting out with this focus on those that really fulfill the first-time home buyer. So it's a Sunday morning, and we're packing up a little bit. We got to run up to Harding, take a quick peek in there. The floors have been done, so should be posting up a video about that later. Appliances are all in. The only thing we have left to do up there, and we'll take a look, countertops and just some paint touch-up. We're going to do the exterior door install in a couple of days, and then we're done. So, and then it'll be handing over to Lisa for putting that visual touch on it one step further with that staging concept. So again, a shout out to Lisa. Great job. You are fulfilling and helping to fulfill what we want to do with this company. I couldn't be more proud. Thanks everybody. Appreciate everything for those of you who follow us. Appreciate the feedback. Please, if you have suggestions, recommendations, we'd love to hear it. Talk to you guys later. Bye now.